Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 9 of chapter 9 section 1. A population is modeled by the differential equation dp by dt equal to 1.3 times p times 1 minus p over 4700. A. For what values of p is the population increasing? B. For what values of p is the population decreasing? C. What are the equilibrium solutions? P is increasing whenever dp by dt, the first derivative is positive. P is decreasing whenever the first derivative is less than 0. Equilibrium solutions are obtained by setting dp by dt equal to 0 and solve for P, or those values of P that makes the derivative 0 are the equilibrium solutions. So we'll first answer the part A question. For what values of p is the population increasing? So we have to figure out when dp by dt is more than 0. So p times 1.3 times p times 1 minus p over 4700 should be more than 0. That means p is always positive because being population it has to be positive, and 1 minus p over 4700 must be positive as well. So negative p over 4700 will be more than negative 1. So if you multiply by 4700 both sides, negative p will be more than negative 4700, or p is less than 4700. So we have p more than 0 and p less than 4700. So p is increasing on the interval 0 less than p less than 4700. In the interval notation, we may have to write this as 0 through 4700 in the interval form. So that's where the population is increasing in that interval. So the problem says that you write in the interval notation. The second part, where is it decreasing? So the population is decreasing when the derivative is less than 0, or 1.3 times p means 1 minus p over 4700 must be less than 0, but p can never be smaller than 0, so it's always more than 0. So 1 minus p over 4700 must be less than 0 for this inequality to be less than 0. So this shows that negative p over 4700 will be less than negative 1, or negative p will be less than negative 4700, or p will be more than 4700. So on the interval 4700 through infinity, p is decreasing. The third part is the equilibrium solutions. So we will set the dp by dt to 0. So that means 1.3 times p times 1 minus p over 4700 equal to 0. This will mean either p equal to 0 or 1 minus p over 4700 will be equal to 0, or p over 4700 will be equal to 1, or p equal to 4700. So either p equal to 0 or p equal to 4700 are the equilibrium solutions. The equilibrium solutions are 0 and 4700. Hope this video helps.